Welcome students to our live streaming class. Once again, this is Miss Edna and thank you for joining this session. By the way, my office is at the second floor of St. Peter Building, and I don't want you to submit your work in other offices like in Matayom 5 office or IEP office. Again, my office is in second floor of St. Peter Building. Just look for my desk. Okay, these are the rules that we will follow in like submitting your homework. So I would like you to always be responsible, and this is it. So I have here the sample of the correct form, which is format, which is from Chayapat Osananan from class 3B, number 1. And if you notice, she has the date. Am I right? I think she's a girl. So she has the date, the score, which is over 10 marks. And exercise number 2, and this student copied the instruction like simplify the following and so on with complete solutions and answer. So I would like you to look at this. So this is from Chaya again, Chaya Pat of Matayom 3 slash, is this 8? Yeah, 8, number 1. So I would like you to do the same format so it's easy for me to like write the score on the right side and it's easy for me to record your score. So for this one, I would like to reiterate or tell you that some students submitted this paper, which is like 1/2 of A4 paper, but it's not properly cut. So could you please stop from submitting work in this form? So can we have in A4 paper, or the size is like that of A4, you can use your students' lined paper but not paper from your notebook, okay? Okay, starting 21st of July, if you submit your homework late, you will only get 1/2 of the full score. So if the full score is 10, your score is automatically becomes 5, okay? So, why 1/2 of the full score? Okay, later I will discuss to you why. Okay, how do you get 1/2 of the full score? So your reason, for example, is if you arrived in school late. Miss, I arrived in school late, it's traffic or like that. So I was not able to submit on time on Monday. Sorry, that is not an excuse. So you still get half of the full score because you're late. Next, if you are absent during class hour or during this live streaming like this, you don't know that there's a homework. So again, that is not an excuse. So you will get half of the full score because you're late. The second is about this. If you have your reason, Miss, I have a headache, stomach ache, if you have like broken heartache, if you have 1 day sickness, still, no, you will get half of the full score. Next is, okay, can I maybe indicate this one? For example, this is, okay, if you visit places with your family around Thailand or abroad, if you, for example, go to in Chiang Mai, Chiang Rai, or in Phuket for 1 day and you did not submit your work on time, so this is not a reason for me to give you a full score or like that. Okay, if you have practice for other school activities and you were not able to submit your work on time, still that is not an excuse. If you send work in the other office, example in IEP office, the other teacher sent me a message yesterday, teacher Edna, I think this is yours. The other day, another teacher from M5 office asked me, is this yours? So it's hard for me if you submit your work in the wrong office. So again, my office is in M.3 office, second floor, St. Peter. So please do not submit in the wrong office. Otherwise, you are late. Okay. Oh, sorry. Next is we have exceptions. For example, if you are sick and if you stay in the hospital, if, for example, you go to another school to have like competition, sports competition, or any other competition, so that's it. Um, I for 2 or more days. But if it's only one day, you can submit in advance ahead. Okay, if it is only one day, just submit on ahead of time so that you won't be late. And others, there are some exceptions also that only the teacher know if it is really excused or no. Okay, students, so that is easy for me to like check. Sometimes I'm done checking all the work and then here comes another set of papers on my desk every morning. Every morning I have like papers on my desk to be checked. So it's hard for me to like check every day because I'm also teaching in Pratom 4 and Pratom 6 and also Matayom 4 for online classes. Okay, so I hope that you will always be responsible. Okay, why? It, why students is only half or 50%? Because it's not fair. You see, this is it. It is also not fair that I will give you a full score and you will just copy from your classmates or your classmates who already sent me the work, sent you a photo of it, and then you will just copy the answers. So it is not fair to those students who always submit the work on time. And these students sometimes got only half, like out of 10. Wrong, 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 wrong. 5 mistakes. So 5 out of 10. And they submit the work on time. And here comes you, for example, you submit your work late but your score is more than 5, like maybe full score because you have the picture of the all correct answers from other students. So it is not fair to those students who always submit the work on time. Okay, so I hope that you will understand about this because if you want to get a full score or a good score, you should be responsible. You should submit your work on time. And it's easy for me also to check work. If I'm done, that's it. I don't have enough time to check all the late work every day, students. So I hope that you will understand our rules in submitting the work. Okay? Next. Oh, sorry. Let me erase this first. Okay. Okay, the submission of work is before Monday or Monday at 9 a.m. If it is a holiday, then you may submit your work on the next class day. This Monday is a holiday, so you can submit your work on Wednesday, before Wednesday, 9 a.m. Okay? But other than this, you have to submit all your work on or before Monday, every Monday at 9 a.m. except if it is a holiday. Yeah? Yok not. Yok non. What is it? Sorry, wrong. Okay. Wrong. Wrong what? You type wrong. Okay. So our topic for today, students, is still the same, multiplication of algebraic fractions. So we will recall on how to multiply um, multiply algebraic expressions, and also we will simplify algebraic expressions. So this slide is from your homework last week. So this is it, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we will answer this all together. So let's see if your answers are all correct. So let's begin. The first one is simplify 2x plus 4 all over 3 times 3x over 3x plus 2. So we will simplify the answer. So we have here SOL for the solutions. Okay. And you just do it. So you remember, if it is 2x plus 4, you take out the highest common factor, which is 2. Open. Okay, let me have it like bigger. Can you see it better? Okay, so we'll have here x plus 2 over 3 times 3x over x plus 2, and then you just cut this one, the common. I need the bigger. Okay, this x plus 2 and x plus 2, yeah, and also 3 and 3, yes. So what we have here is the answer is equal to this one and this product of 2 and x. So the answer is 2x. So this is the simplified answer. Did you get the answer correct? Okay, I hope so. The next is number 2. How are we going to simplify number 2? Okay, 3x minus 6 all over 3x minus 9 times 5x minus 15 all over 7x minus 14. So I can have here my solution. Okay, let me change the color to red. This is okay, SOL solution. So we have here 3, take out the highest common factor between 3x and 6. So we have like 3 and then 3x. This 3x divided by 3, the answer is x minus 6 divided by 3 is 2, yeah, all over. And then in this 3x minus 9, the highest common factor is 3, and then take it out, and then divide 3x by 3, the answer is x, minus 9 divided by 3 is 3, times, so I use a dot for multiplication, yes, and this is 5 from here, yeah, so take out 5, divide 5x by 5, the answer is x, minus 15 divided by 5 is 3, over, take out 7 from 7x minus 14, so this is x minus 2. Okay, so what are we going to cancel next? Students, can you type your answer below? We will cut something, so what do you think are we going to cut so that we can simplify the answer? We can have the simplified form. Can you type your answer below? Taraton, can you give me the answer, or who is this? Fumid, can you give me the answer? What expression are we going to cut or cancel? Araya. Araya from Matthew 3/3. Yeah, correct. That's the answer. So we will cut x minus 2 according to Araya, which is correct. Then have this one. Okay. Oops. Okay, x, I cannot do it. Okay, anyway. Harder. Okay, this x minus 2. And what else, students? Thank you, Araya, for your answer. Okay, cut one more from the expression. What is it? Can you type your answer below? Yes. Okay. X minus 3 according to Ha. Ha. X minus 3, teacher. Okay, so cut x minus 3, x minus 3. What else? Yes, thank you, Ha, for your answer. Okay, we have more, right? So what is it? It's 3 and 3. Yeah? And we don't have any more. So the answer is, okay, the answer is equal to 5 over 7. Okay, did you get the answer correct? Okay, if yes, then you're the best. Next is number 3. Okay, simplify this. 7x minus 7x plus 28, I mean, all over 21 times 6 over 6x plus 24. Yes, okay. So we'll have here solution SOL and then underline from 7x plus 28. Take out the highest common factor. Okay, who can give me the highest common factor from M3 slash 1? From M3 slash 1, what is the highest common factor in 7x plus 28? Okay, can you type in your answer? Only one number, right? Okay, let's see if you can give me the answer from M3 slash 1. Okay, can you type your answers? Nipit Nakew is from M3 slash 6. Okay, the P is from M3 slash 8. Okay, can you type your answer now? Okay, Pong Pong. You are from M3 slash 2. Anyway, thank you. That's the answer. Yes. Can I have more answers from M3 slash 1? Let's see. Boss ACT. Yes. M3 slash 1 number 19. Correct. Your answer, boss. ACT is correct. Who else? Can I have one more? Type your answer. Let's see. Okay. Thank you, boss, for your answer and Pong Pong. Okay, so 7, take 7 out. Take 7 out, so this is it. And then 7x divided by 7 is x. Plus 28 divided by 7 is 4. Close it. Then over, all over 21. And then times. Okay, times. Copy x, copy 6 over. Okay, and take out the highest common factor from this. Okay, from M3 slash 2. From M3 slash 2 students, what is the highest common factor? Yeah, okay. We are now in 6x plus 24. Yes, the one with the tie name. Yes, we are done with it, correct? Okay. Yes, yes, napat, pond. Yeah, the highest common factor is 6. Okay, how about from M3 slash 2? That's Ploy Petai. I don't know if I pronounce your name correctly. That is correct. Yes, that's the answer. But the highest common factor is only 6. Okay? Okay, that's it. I have the answer already from Ploy and Napat. Okay, so we have it 6 over 6 times quantity x plus a 4, and we cut. Okay, we can cut. Okay, this cut x plus 4 or cancel x plus 4. Also, don't forget to cancel 6 and 6. Yes, and this 7 over 21. Many of you, not really many, but I think more than 10 answered 7 over 21, which is not the simplified form. It's not yet done, students. Not yet. You have to simplify. So 7 over 21 is equal to 1 over 3 because I asked you to simplify your answer. Really, you have to find the simplified form. Okay? Room 8 is invisible. Where is room 8? The P. How do you know that room 8 is invisible? This room 8 is from STEM, right? Where are you, by the way? 3 slash 4, yes. 3 slash 8. This is it. Is this? Is not pakon. Not pakan. Not pakon or not pakan. Where are you, M3 slash 8? Oh, Ben Laurie. Ben Laurie, warning. Do not type that word. Why are you typing that word? Again, Ben Laurie. Who are you, Ben Laurie? Are you my student? Don't do that. Warning. Okay, so this is now the answer. Okay, if you have questions, you may approach me in the office if you are free. Okay, I'm willing to help you if you have questions about math. Okay, next is number 4. Okay, simplify this. Ben Laurie, you are in America. So why are you studying here? Are you my student? Okay, so by the way, okay. So this is, oh, sorry. For number 4, so for the solution, okay, let me write SOL. So we have here this, which is 3x squared, this one, students. So we take out the highest common factor. Yes, Napat, Pond, you are correct. Yeah. Okay, so we have here 3x. Napat Pond, yeah, thank you for your answer. So we have 3x, quantity of x plus 3. Okay, over x squared times. And then how about here, this one? Who can give me the, yes, Parinda. Yes, of M3/3, correct? Yes, also Pompong. Yes, thank you for your answers. Okay. How about on the next one? Yes. Take out. Take it out. What is the highest common factor? Okay, can you type your answer below? Okay, so we have here. Good. Who's that? Good job. Okay, Arayalin? Arayat? Yes, thank you. That's correct. Who else? Fumids? No, sorry, it's wrong. Pick Nanim? Correct. Chayapat? Yes, thank you for your answer, students. And Teachadol? Yes, yes, that's it. So take out x, and this is quantity of 2x plus 5, and then over. How about in 9x plus 27? What is the highest common factor? Huh? Yeah, that's correct. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, from M3/3, can you give me the answer? What is the HCF, the highest common factor? Only highest common factor. What is the highest common factor? This is, for example, which one is the highest common factor? The first or the second? Yes, yes, that is the factorized form. Correct, students? Yes, that's the answer. But I'm asking you about the highest common factor, meaning only one. Which one? Is it 9 or is it x plus 3? Chayapat, can you answer? Yeah? Okay. You 66667, that's correct. The one with the Thai name, Chayapat, your answer is correct. Tachapol, yes. Napat Pond, yes, yes. Napat, only one time Napat, yes, correct. Ploy Petay, yes, correct. Arayalin, correct. Araya, you always answer in Napat Pond. Thank you for your response. I'm happy. Yes, correct. Ben Laurie, your answer is correct. Okay, so this is the HCF. 9 is the HCF. So you take it out and then 9x divided by 9 is x. 27 divided by 9 is 3. And we can cut this. X plus 3, x plus 3, x squared divided by x. This is x. This is now x. And we also have 3 divided by 3 is 1. 9 divided by 3 is 3. And this is x, and this is x. What is left is this. Students, what is left is 3 in the denominator. Do not answer this. Students, do not answer 3 because 3 is wrong. It's not the answer. Okay, so what will be the answer? Who can give me the answer now, students? Can you type your answer from M3/4? What's the answer? Yes, U6667 is 1/3. That's the answer. Very good. Okay, so the answer is equal to 1/3. So you can have A and S and underline. Yes, correct. Ben Lori, your answer is wrong. Pompong, correct. Yes. E to A is correct. Araya Lin, that was the answer. Next, okay. The one with the Thai name, correct. Pompong again. Okay, thank you. That's correct. Thank you for your answers. And the last one is number 5. Simplify this expression times another expression. So how do we do this? So we have to use factorization of polynomials. So how do we factor this? So for the solution, you may have again SOL. What is x squared plus 3x plus 2? What are the two factors from M3 slash 4 or maybe 5? 4 or 5? Can you give me the answer? What are the two factors? What is it? What did I forgot? Let me check. What is it, Araya? Let me check. Araya is saying something. Where is it? Which 2x plus 5 is from my given? I can't forget anything. I think no. Araya, what are you saying? Anyway. These are from your homework. Let me check one more time. What is it that you're saying? No, this is okay. This is correct. Yeah, this is correct. Araya, I don't know what is number. Okay. Okay, thank you, Araya. Araya, yes. Okay, from number 4. So this is 1/3. She's, Araya, are you a girl? Yes. That's nice. Because I did not see, okay, the other one, which is left. Yeah, so this is now like, okay, I'll erase this one. Yes, correct area. This is, I just look at the left side, nothing here, and then over 3. Yeah, thank you. That's 2x plus 5 on the right side. So we have 2x plus 5, yeah, all over 3. Okay? Araya, thank you so much. I was not able to see on the right side a while ago. Yes. Thank you for your call. Okay. The last one is number 5. Okay. Can you send again your answers? Okay, number 5. The last one. How about the last one, students? Okay. So what are the two factors? Okay, those who commented the answers, can you give me the answer one more? Yes? Okay. Can you give me the answer? So we have x plus, and then we have x plus something here. What do we have here, students? Yes. Yes, thank you. U6667, the PS. Okay. Yes, who is it? Your name is in Thai. Sorry. Yes, Arya, your answer is correct. X plus 2, x plus 1. Yes. How about below? What are the two factors? X and x. So we have plus. Yeah, it's plus. So what do we have here? Napat? That is correct. Okay, how about on the right side this? Okay, what are the factors? Numerator over numerator. What do we have, students? Okay, x plus something is all plus, plus and plus. The last one, students. Yeah, the last one. Okay, what do we have? from M3/6 or 5? Chayapat, is that your answer? We are now on the right side, yes? Touch a pole. X plus 5 and x plus 1. What is? X plus 5 and x plus 1. No, cannot. This, if it is x plus 5, okay, can I write it here? X squared plus 5x plus 6. Okay, others answer like this. X plus 5, x plus 1. X times x, x squared, correct. But 5 times 1 is 5. It's 6 here. So it cannot be quantity x plus 5. Quantity x plus 1, no. No. Okay, erase this one. No, it's not. Cannot. Okay, how about on the right side? What are the factors? Chayapat, is that your answer? We are now here on the right side, students. Okay, let me do it. Okay, this one. Yes. If you are hungry, you can have snacks afterwards. We finish in a few minutes. Okay. Napat? You're now, yeah. What is it? Who is it? Fumid? Yes, correct. Who else? Okay, that's x plus 4 and this is x plus 3. How about below? Napat, what's the answer? Touch a poll. X plus 4 and x plus 1, correct. Okay, so this is 4x and then 5x, middle term. And then we will cut the common, so we do this fast now. So we have x plus 2, x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 4, x plus 3, x plus 3, and we have here x plus 1, x plus 1. Okay, let me check if I missed something, if I forgot something to cross out. No. So what will be the answer? Yes, for M3/8 number 31. Yes, the answer is 1. Yes, Fumid. Correct. Correct. Yes. Teacher Doll, your answer is 1. Also Floyd Pita. Yes, correct. But others answer like these students. Okay, let me change the color to red. Okay, let me change it. Okay, others answer, because Miss no more lefts, it's 0. Sorry, it's not 0. A number divided by another number is not 0. The answer is equal to 1. Okay? Yes. Pure. Is that your name? Napat. Yes. I'm happy. That's correct. Paritsamon. Yes. Thank you for your answers. So this is now the answer. Okay? Do you have questions? Did I forget something? If yes, comment down below. Yes. Chonai, correct. Okay, U667, correct. Yes, Chalongpat, the answer is correct. BNN, yes, thank you for your answer. Yes, thank you. Do you have questions? Yes or no? Comment down below if you have questions. Yes. If you have more questions, maybe you can approach me in the office. Again, my office is in St. Peter Building, 2nd floor. Just look for Miss Edna's table. Tirapat, yes, thank you. That's the answer. Yeah. Okay, if you don't have questions, okay, be ready. You take a photo or a screenshot of your work. Okay, your homework, by the way, you have to write your homework in A4 paper. Yeah. Okay. A4 paper and this one here. Okay, no. Wait. This, okay, A4 paper and then or students paper. Yeah. Do not write on half sheet of notebooks paper. Please do not print. I would like you to copy and show the complete solutions. Please do not print. Some of you just print the screenshot and maybe you photocopy and then answer right away. Only a few numbers, students. Could you please copy the questions, the given, everything? Only today, I think, 4 numbers or 5. So please do not print. You write in A4 paper, not in half. Not in one half A4 paper or from your notebook. Okay? Please take note of this. Next is this student, before you take a photo of your homework. So, I would like you to look at this for the number of students who submitted their homework on time and their award. 3/1. 46 students submitted the work. I don't know how many students in 3/1. I think around 50 or 54 like that. So 3/1 is the most responsible class. So I will clap my hands for 3/1. Good job. Good job, students. You are responsible. Next is this from 3/8. Yes. 3/1. Very good. So Teacher Edna is happy. So 1 heart for you. Okay, 3/8 is the second most responsible class. So this is okay. Second, okay. And maybe a little bit of heart only. Next is 3/4. This group of students. Third most responsible class. So very good. So I will clap my hands to 3/1. 1, 2, 3. 3/8. 1, 2, 3. And 3/4. 1, 2, 3. So I really like students who are very responsible, who always submit work on time. So 1 heart also for 3/8. And how about 3/5? 3/5 and 3/6 and 3/7. Where did you submit your work? Or maybe you submitted your work late. 3/8. How many students in 3/8? Full made. 38 students, but I got 40. Dapat kon 54, 3/1. I don't know, 3/8, I have 40. Maybe some of you write the, what is it, the wrong class. I don't know, but I have. Okay, let me check. Yeah, if it is over, so the most responsible class would be the STEM class. STEM. Yeah, because 10 is only 38. I thought all of the total is like 50 or 54. Okay, so by the way, so if that's the case, so it would be 3/8, the most responsible. Okay, next would be 3/1. Okay, okay, yes. 3/8 then. Okay, so this is it. Exercise number 2, could you please take a photo of this, screenshot 1 and 2, okay? Okay, next is 3 and 4. So you have to do the same, just simplify, write the solution, and answer on A4 paper. Do not print in the given, okay? You have to write everything. So for the reminders, remember you will get only half of the full score if you submit your work late. Okay, so the submission of the work will be until Wednesday because Monday and Tuesday are holidays. Okay, and this is it. Okay, so always be responsible and thank you for coming. Bye-bye. See you next time.